a full new creative lightning. We are creating a multi-purpose light panel that has dynamic strobes, powerful pointing beams, and a good quality flood wash. Lightning shows its ingenuity by featuring splendid wash effect and rapidly flashing strobe effect in colored sections, and clear-cut beam effect in white light section, achieving more design effect and representing Acme's enterprising and initiative spirit. 240 RGBW LEDs are divided into 30 individually controlled sections. 30 CW pixel LEDs shoots out bright beams, ultimately controllable, configurable, and arrayable. Most importantly, the specified color wavelength system allows for great mixing in all dimmer output levels and a variety of programmed light effects. The frost effect, enhanced by the exclusive smart glass technology, is capable of adjusting frosted into transparent glass by a simple DMX switch. Both sections distribute straightforward light at a fixed angle, one for washing the stage with rich embroidery colors, one for shooting out beams to specific target at the utmost level. A complementary mix raises your atmosphere texture. Lightning are rated as dust tight and protected against the normal weather elements, giving a faultless performance at any given environment. A pair of twist lock and one reserve locking hole for special installation, available in horizontal or vertical mounting to fit any rigging flexibility. A variety of protocols provides diversified digital communication networks for controlling mapping and creative effects, compatible for concert touring, TV shows, events, music festivals, and numerous innovative achievements. PWM Control for broadcast precision. Acme Lighting, a new definition of strobe wash art.